So earlier this season, on our Heavenologist kitchen on YouTube and on Instagram, I shared about the birdhouse that I use old mailboxes to make birdhouses with, right? Well, it's getting close. The grass is getting tall. I don't want to go all the way down that way come wintertime. And in Tennessee, we have a long fall. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and put the seeds in this little container that even glows in the dark, made out of cedar wood. See the bird feeder food? Just stick it right in there. It's on your back deck, and you can see some pretty birds. You know, I'm sure the heavens like to see the birds eat. They have deer feeders at your local Lowe's, Home Depot, off Amazon to feed the animals that need food so they don't go into your trash. This is Heavenologist Kitchen. Don't forget to vote Trump 2024 and feed the birds. Feed a fish. It eats for its lifetime. Teach a man how to fish, or a girl, and they eat for a lifetime. To eat it, you give it life, but not one another. There's people like that. I have to touch base on that. Love you all. God bless.